Hey everyone, welcome back to another Power BI tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a super handy trick, that is how to always get the latest file from a folder into Power BI. This is especially useful if you have files that get updated regularly and want to make sure you are always working with the latest data. So let's move to Power BI and I'll show you practically what is a problem statement and how we are going to solve it. So you can see I have ticket system files, which is of January and February. So I'll show you what is the structure of file. So here I have few columns: ticket ID, date, month, customer ID, issue type, status, and priority. To make this trick work, you need a same structure for every file you are going to update. So I'll show you now what error comes and how we are going to solve that error. So here we have two files which is of Jan and February. So when February month gets finished, March file will be uploaded to the folder. So we'll need March data to be displayed on the visuals. So how we are going to do that without an error? Let's go to Power BI desktop, click on get data, more. So click on folder option as our files are inside the folder. So folder option needs to be selected, click connect, give the path of your folder. Mine is desktop, which is ticket system folder, hit OK. And now on this point of time, you don't need to combine, we have to transform the data. So click on transform the data. Combine will append all the files and it will make a single file from that. So we don't need to do that. Let's click on transform the data. So now we can see folder structure of both the files are being displayed. So we do have a work with this column first, date modified. Date modified column ensures the timestamp of files of the folder. When new file gets inside the folder, it will create the latest timestamp of that particular file. So we need to have the latest timestamp for this column. So click sort by descending. This will give us the latest file uploaded. So according to our use case, we need only single file, right? So here choose keep rows, keep top rows. We need only one file, so we'll select one, click OK. So as you can see, the structure of the file is made in a such way that always latest file will be displayed. So now moving ahead, we have work with this column content, which is on selecting will give us a function. So let's select. Here we can see our sheet 1, which is our tab of Excel. You can see the data, click on OK. So you can see the unnecessary null values are being displayed. So let's get rid of that. Now let's load the data. Let's click on close and apply. It will load the queries, functions, Power BI automatically applied on. So data loading is completely done. We have the data now. Create some visual. Let's create a table. We'll have date, priority, status. Let's format it so we can see. We'll remove quarter. So you can see we have January months of data. Now let's add March months file in the folder. Let's copy it, paste it. Now let's go to Power BI desktop and refresh and let's see what happens. You can see the key didn't match any row in the table, error has appeared. So basically our use case was to get rid of this error. So our report generation will be flawlessly. So first let's understand why this error has appeared. We'll close, we'll go to transform data. We need to check in for transformation file. This is a auto generated function Power BI created. Let's go and check advanced editor, click OK. So here you can see source says it is a file of February, but our file is of March. You can see. So we have to make this dynamic. So dynamically this name should be replaced with the latest file. So to do that, we just need to replace this whole code with 0. So what happens in background, the latest files comes with any name. It will see the timestamp of that particular file and consider it is a latest file. So when the next time you jump on adding new month's file, there will be no error. Click close and apply. And we can see now latest months, which is March data has appeared. So that's it. We have dynamically applied the steps to overcome the error which might cause report building very hectic. So thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.